Today we're in Keswick High School and we're here to connect with other Black youths in the community and just have a great opportunity just to talk to other Black youth, get to know them, and just have a great time.
So we have basketball going on, we have some hairdressing, we have some music happening, and so a huge variety of opportunities for students to engage, really to socialize with one another, and we have some community partners here as well. Today we are at Keswick High School. We have invited a bunch of different schools from the surrounding areas. We have Newmarket High School here as well as some of the feeder schools, and we're here to celebrate our Black students who are transitioning to high school. So those are some of the students who are in grade 6, 7, and 8 coming to high school and getting to interact with our high school students.
I think these events are important because it's a chance for other Black youth to get to connect with each other and just have a good time.
For our students, really hoping they come together, they meet one another, hopefully make some connections that they'll be able to sustain when they get to high school, which is really important.
I'm going to the hair and aesthetics session for both sessions, and I'm just really looking forward to meeting new people and also just learning more about the hair and Black culture and stuff like that.
Right now I'm about to go to basketball, and after I'm going to go to music. It's like two of my best interests, so it's going to be a great time.
Keswick High School is in the community. We are doing great things with our Black students, great events, getting the community together. That's really our focus, having the community come together in Georgina and let them know that the students who are transitioning from elementary to high school, it's a welcoming environment. It's a welcoming environment for our Black students.
I know a few students here right now, and I'm just happy to see them, talk to them, and just be part of a community with them at this school.